Welcome to getting started uploading your client files and your company logo. To begin with, I'd like to discuss how you would do it if you're a Drake user. It's very simple. You just go into your Drake software, go to Tools, File Maintenance, Export Client EF Data, select the CSV file and select Client Data, and then hit Run. And that's going to be creating, basically that's exporting your client data files, creating one file with all the contact information that goes to an export folder, which is stored inside of your Drake software application, typically on your C drive of the server. So that's how you're going to export the data out of your Drake software, your contact information. Then I'm going to later talk to you how to actually send it to us. But first I want to cover those that are not Drake users. How they're going to do it is we're going to send them a spreadsheet template in which we'd like you to put your client's contact information. Make sure you don't delete any columns or change any column headings. And if there's columns that you don't have information to put in there, say for example preparation time or retention, just leave it blank. Most people do leave those columns blank, and typically the fields that we have completed are taxpayer social, first name, last name, date of birth, and all their contact information. That's usually the information that's sent to us, and then the other column fields are just left blank. One thing I want to point out is if you're sending business returns to us, so the business name, you need to make sure that the business name is in the last name, taxpayer's last name column, not the first name, to make sure it's properly imported into your software. And for date of birth for your clients, make sure you put them in this format, month, day, year, and they have the slash to make sure it gets properly imported into your software. So once this is, first you have to export it out of your tax software, and then you're going to probably copy and paste it into our template so that we can easily import it into your Atom software. Once you have that completed, you're going to obviously save it somewhere where you can locate it on your workstation. And then what you're going to do, how you're going to actually send it to us through a secure portal, is you're going to be inside your software. You're going to go to the help link, and then the very first link in the help menu is log into your Atom account. And then from here you're going to enter your Atom code, which is typically your 3-letter code in your URL that we sent you. So for example, up here, if you can see this, Atom_clients. Our code actually in this example is clients, but normally you're going to have 3 letters right there. So go ahead and enter those in. And then your password, which we should have sent you in the email, the original email. Then you'll log in. In this example, this is our company, X-Tax. So the very first thing you're going to do, you're going to upload client files and the company logo. Click on that link. All you're going to do is browse, go locate. If you're a Drake user, you're going to be going into your Drake application, going to export folder and grabbing that client file. If you're a non-Drake user, you're going to go and grab that spreadsheet template that's completed, wherever you store that on your workstation. And then you'll grab the file, store it here, and then as a description, you can just label it client files, and then you hit upload, and then that comes immediately right to us securely. It's all encrypted. And then from there, we'll then populate it into your Atom software. It usually takes us once we receive it, typically takes us about 2 business days to get it into your software, and we'll notify you once it's in there. For sending your company logo, it's the same process. You're just going to click on the link, select browse, go locate your logo, and then send it to us. And it has to be a JPEG. And the dimensions, we have specific dimensions, but we can resize it for you. So it's the critical thing is that it's a JPEG file. Send it to us, and again, it'll take roughly 2 business days to get it into your software. And then the logo would replace our logo here at Atom. Okay, thank you.